Hello and welcome back to Nerd Chic. Today I've been asked to show a bit more information about live chat. Folks are asking about how to control it as well as how to embed it in their site, and I've got answers to all that. It is a little bit of a deep dive on the embedding part, but I'll just start where I go. You guys can pause this as you go along, take notes, and do whatever you need to do if you're interested in doing this. So right now I've got a live chat up here, a tutorial on live streaming. That's what I'm going to run. You can see my live chats right here, and I can click to go live at any point. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to click and open pop-out chat. Now, pop-out chat allows me a lot more control as well as information I need for later. So see this information right here? You're going to need that information later for the embed, but for now, let me show you a little more about this pop-out chat. The first thing is this. You can choose to allow folks to see top chat or live chat. Live chat, everything's visible, and it can be, beautiful or ugly or whatever. Sometimes if you've got live chat on, there'll be spam and potential bad stuff. Top chat's going to control that, and you're just going to see what really is the best stuff in here, what's happening. So you choose what your folks want to see, and you choose what you want to moderate. The next thing is you need to manage your moderators. Now, I'm going to click this and show you what managed moderators should do. It's comment management. You can add people to your managed moderator list. I can't get there from here only because I'm running a video recording while doing a live stream, and so that's overkill. So that's that. I just want to show you that. You can go in there and you can actually manage moderators, add people on who can control the live stream besides you while you're doing it. Also, you can control the participants that are on. You can click this and you can kick some folks off. You can block them. You can control them, and that's very important. Inside of the management of the comments and everything, you can also choose words that you want to block. So if you want to block cuss words, put them in. You can control them. That's all from the management side of this and management of comments. That's very important. So definitely do that your first time around. Make sure you've got all of your comments controlled, no cuss words or whatever you want to keep out of the chat. The last thing I want to show you is this, and that is embedding the chat, because folks have asked about this as well. I'm going to go over to stackoverflow.com, which has an answer to a question here. You can see the links here if you want to go deep into it later, and I'll put this in the comments as well so that you can find it quicker. Here's the thing. If you put an embed URL for a channel's live stream, that's this. I taught you that. But if you put an embed for a channel's chat, it is video specific. You see that right there? It's video specific. So here's the deal. Anytime you do one of these events on your own, you're going to come over here and make sure that you've got this information for that video, right? So that you can embed it. You're going to need that video's information every time for each one. You'll have to make the embed for each one. It won't just go to a page and stay there. So know that. And that's the hard part, because folks want it to go to their page and they want it to stay there. The other thing is people are going to have to be connected to it. So they're going to have to log into Google to access. Now, here's one other option that's on this article right here, and it really is a valuable option. I may put it in as a comment if it'll let me on YouTube. Here it is. You can create video ID logic as PHP if you're using WordPress or something like it with code just like this. You see what we're doing here? And it can actually find and fetch the live stream and the code when you do it. Do you get that? So this is a very powerful option to be able to do it if you're running a site that's based on PHP, like WordPress or something. So guys, that's a good option. I just want to show you that. This is a possibility for it going and finding your live stream information and pulling the chat based on that information on what the live feed is. Okay, so that's real options at this point. And you could try to do an iframe with this info right here. That can work, but it's always going to be video specific. So that's my answer on how to embed your live chat. There are options. The static option that stays is the PHP. The other options are use an iframe and use the information that comes from this pop-out. Or the last option is, of course, change it every single time when you post it with this link right here. Okay? All right, guys, hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe to Nerd Chic. If you got any other questions, hit me up in the comments. I make tutorials all the time, and I love answering questions. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Boom.